This is a 2002 Toyota Tacoma extended cab pre-runner with 88,000 miles. Yes, 88,000 miles, completely rust-free, and just wonderful condition for its age. It needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. You'll be lucky to find a door ding on this thing. Very, very clean. Tires are in great shape. The vehicle is running like every one of our vehicles. It comes with a 125-point pre-owned inspection. Every vehicle we sell will need nothing mechanically or cosmetically. It has a bed liner. $88,000 original miles, rust-free. Perfect Carfax report. Perfect vehicle for student. We will not finance this vehicle. You're going to have a hard time finding a bank that will want to finance this vehicle because it's 2002. If your credit score is above a 730, we do have banks that we work with that will do this. But below a 730, no banks. You can use your own bank, but we will not be able to assist you. Beige cloth interior is like new. No rips, no stains, no wear marks. Carfax report, perfect. AM/FM CD automatic transmission. 88,971 miles at the time of this video. No cracked dash. Just in amazing condition. Brand new inside. No sagging headliner. So, again, this is a 2002 Toyota Tacoma extended cab pre-runner SR5, 88,000 miles, rust-free, in fabulous condition.